The program starts now.
So your melody will play on and on. Way up the bow, you are beautiful, like a dream come alive, incredible, a sensible miracle, miracle. You sing my life again, and I want you to know, baby, I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. And I can beat it. Oh, I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby.
Dance.
I love you like a love song, baby. Reception, celebration na. Wini-welcome natin siya sa Christian. Hayaan niyo po buhay ko muna. Hindi pa po sila lalabas. Hayaan mo na. Ang ating anak tawagin natin si Mikael Johan Camundo. Wow, pogi naman ni Kuya. Kuya, di ka pa naman. Next na lang tawagin natin ang pangalawang anak na si Marius Gihan Camundo. At eto na nga, ang star ng araw na to, kasama ang kanyang mga magulang na sina Mr. Michael Camundo and Mrs. Maribel Subak. Ladies and gentlemen, Miraya Janaya Camundo.
Mayor!
Ito po kayong family. Magaling po gumawa ng bata. Please stand up para po sa aking prayer na pangungunahan ni Mark.
Here, Miraya is now part of Christ's family. We thank you for bringing us together safe here today so we may witness Miraya as she starts her journey for her Christian life. With this journey, we pray for blessings and guidance for her and her parents. We pray for each and everyone here today so that
Intermission number.
Okay. Baka muna sa likod, anak. Panay, what's your name? Para kay Amber! Galing. Kung ako lang mapera, bibigyan ko ito lahat. Si Yomi naman.
Sige, wag mahiya! Wag mahiya!
Iuwi kita. Masing na, no? Nanalo ko yung anak.
Time to eat.